that time again. It's been about 2 months since my last haul, and I have acquired some more fantastic fashion-related goodies since then. The bulk of it is thrifted, so we're gonna start with that, then go into some hand-me-downs, a couple retail purchases, and some fun little fashion-related birthday gifts. And then I'm gonna save my last thrift find for the end because it is, in my opinion, the best item in the video. Alright, first up we are starting with thrift finds, and I actually got this whole batch of 7 items in one day, which is way more than I would usually get at once, but that day I was simply a fiend who couldn't be stopped. First up, we have these fabulous graphic floral printed pants. I have been so inspired lately by all kinds of looks using like baggy wide leg pants in a bold color or pattern. So this is just something I really had my eye out for. I've been on the hunt for cool funky pants for this coming fall, and these are just absolutely perfect. I love the bold graphic shapes, the colors, and I did get them a bit oversized so I can take them in but still have a very like wide baggy leg and high-waisted fit. For another pair of wide baggy funky pants, I got these tropical print silky pants from the pajama section. This honestly never even occurred to me as an option until I think I saw Lainey Ozark do it, and I was like, I can just wear pajamas as clothing? Brilliant. Why have we not all been doing this the whole time? These are also quite oversized on me. I plan to alter them similarly to the other ones. And I did also just want to mention that when I buy oversized items, I only buy from the straight size sections that have plenty of options because, as we know, the plus size sections just simply do not have the same options in both secondhand and firsthand fashion that other sizes have. So yeah, this is just a little reminder to all my petite friends out there. Speaking of wearing pajamas as clothes, I also got these pajamas on this day and then turned them into this little matching set that I can wear as pajamas or out and about, I think. I did this in last week's thrift flip video, by the way. If you're interested in seeing how, you can watch it right there. I got these because I just love the pattern, the fabric was super comfy, and I knew it would become a very wearable day-to-day staple, and I can confirm since making them, I have already worn all these pieces numerous times. Also, this is just like a lucky little side note, but this pattern is also so similar to this midi skirt that I have, and I think I could definitely get away with wearing these together as sort of like a little matching look too, so that's just extra fun. Now I have 2 tops and 2 bottoms and they all kind of work and match together. Alright, finally we do have one more pair of baggy wide leg high-waisted pants, and it's just these beige trousers, which are very wrinkly right now. Please excuse them for that. Like I said, I've been hunting for this silhouette for months, so I really lucked out finding 3 options in one day. These ones obviously are much more neutral, subdued, classic. I love that these could be professional, sort of job interview appropriate, but I could also totally see myself styling these casually for more everyday situations. We love to see it. Versatility queen. Alright, next up we have more of an accessory, and it is this little bag. Is this not so freaking cute? Like, are you kidding me? The sparkly thread, the little beads, the gems, like it feels so magical. It reminds me of like an 1800s reticule. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but you know, these little bags, like I feel like a little Regency era princess. It's just so cute. However, here's the thing about this bag. When I bought this, I knew it was tiny, obviously. I didn't quite realize, because of this little fold in the center that folds almost all the way to the bottom, it holds virtually nothing. It cannot fit my phone. It cannot fit my wallet. It can fit some masks. It could function as like a coin purse in theory, but it can only hold very tiny or very flexible objects. So, not exactly sure what kind of use I will get out of this. What would this be useful for? I don't know. Please give me ideas. It's still so cute though. I don't even regret it. I'm not even mad at it. I just love it. It's so pretty. And the handles can kind of function as a bracelet, so like at least it's like a hands-free way to carry whatever tiny object the occasion requires. Alright, finally we have our last thrifted bottoms. Can you tell this is where my wardrobe was lacking? And this time it is some teal and red gym shorts. I feel like the gym shorts as fashion paired with like more tailored looks or more feminine pieces look has definitely been trendy for a while now, and I think it looks so fun, but I never quite feel brave enough to wear it out. So I got these in hopes of experimenting. We'll see. But I also know either way I will definitely get wear out of these, either just around my house being comfy and also for more like androgynous, sporty, street style type looks, which is a little less, you know, experimental, but it's also a look I totally love and definitely will wear. And I just love these ones in particular because of the colors. Like, ooh, it's just like so fresh and bright and sharp. I love it. Finally, the last item I thrifted, besides the one we're saving for the end, was actually not for me, but it's just this really nice vintage striped button up. I just instantly loved this when I saw it. It's great quality. I love the color scheme. It's just like the perfect vintage shirt. Unfortunately, it was just too big to work on me, but I immediately thought of my sister's boyfriend when I saw it because it's very his style and I thought it would fit him. So I asked my sister if I should grab it. She said yes, and now it is his. Very cool vibes and also so fun to find like the perfect secondhand piece for someone you know. I just love thrifting for other people. It's like finding a special little treasure that's just perfect for that one person. Alright, now we're moving on to a couple of hand-me-downs. What I'm wearing right now is also hand-me-downs, by the way. This is from my friend Catherine, and so is our first hand-me-down in this haul. I have no idea if she watches my videos, but hi Catherine, if you're watching. First up, we have this pink ruffly blouse. This shirt is really interesting to me. It's kind of unique because it's like kind of proper and officey, you know, but it's also kind of sexy. And also kind of like these sleeves are giving me like, you know, Regency princess vibes. So there's just like a lot of different influences going on here. But it's also kind of out of my style comfort zone. I would love to hear suggestions on how to style this, but I'm really excited to experiment with it. My second hand-me-down item is also from Catherine, and it was also in my last thrift flips video from last week. It is this Harley t-shirt turned tank top. As I mentioned in that thrift flips video, I am just in love with this simple little tank top. I've already worn it numerous times since making it, and it's such a good little staple with like a little edge to it, you know? By the way, I wanted to ask you guys, if I make something in like a thrift flip video or like a sewing DIY project video from scratch, would you still like to see them in my collective hauls, or should I just leave them in their own videos? I decided to include the Harley tank and the pajama set in this video just because like those items were also new to me in the first place, and then I thrift flipped them. But yeah, if I thrift flip something old that I have or just make something, do you want to see them in hauls? Okay, my final hand-me-down is a vintage accessory from my mom, and it is this very funky belt that is from the 90s or maybe the 80s. My mom was not sure. She was gonna get rid of it, and then she was like, hey, you don't have any use for this, do you? And I was like, actually, I kind of love this. This is cool. I have absolutely nothing like this right now in my wardrobe. I literally own one belt, and it's not even cute. I think this is the start of my funky belt era. Also, I feel like belts as an accessory have not really been like mainstream trendy for many years at this point, which means they're bound to come back around soon. I'm calling it now. Cool belts are coming back. My hair looks so tall right now. I kind of look like a who, but I kind of love it. Alright, now we just have the two retail purchases I've made since my last haul, and they are both from Target. Everything I'm wearing right now is also from Target. I just love to go there and look at stuff and walk around. It's like a fun little activity for me. Alright, first up we have another pair of bottoms. Like I said, I was in desperate need of some, and these ones are just some sort of like army green, mustard yellow, khaki color shorts. I don't know what this color is, but I kind of love it. I also love the cut and fit of these. The little paneling is a really nice detail. And I just really wanted a more like warmer toned pair of jean shorts because all my others are very like cool toned, and I just kind of prefer warm colors in general. So this kind of filled that gap in my wardrobe. My other recent Target purchase is this oversized collar blouse. I love this look. I loved it before it was a big trend. Loved it instantly when I saw that it was trending. The fact that I got it on double clearance at Target for $7 means I clearly still love it after the trend has died down. My mom actually always put us in dresses like this as a little kid. I wonder if that is related to why I like them now. I don't know. Anyway, I had been hunting for something like this at the thrift stores wasn't able to find any. And then I had sort of a little time crunch because I really specifically wanted one for my How to Dress Like a Minju Kim model video. So I just went ahead and grabbed this one at Target. It was actually the last one. I have been like eyeing these all season and I love it. The fabric is so soft. It literally feels like pajamas. I've been thinking of so many cute ways to style this once it cools off a little. Yeah, I just totally love it. Long live the oversized collar. Alright, our last section before the final thrift find I've been saving for the end is a couple fashion related birthday gifts. And in keeping with my little themed outfits, this shirt and these earrings were also a gift. First up, we just have this adorable little butterfly claw clip from my lovely friend Molly. I mean, it's so cute, it's so useful, it's perfect for a little half up hairstyle. It makes me feel like a little butterfly fairy. What can I say? She knows me. My next gifted fashion item are these adorable little printed socks. These are from my aunt and I just love the cute little patterns on these. They're adorable. I'm so excited to style them this fall. I feel like I used to wear a lot more funky socks and I don't that much these days, but I'm feeling a funky sock renaissance coming this fall and winter. Finally, my last fashion related gift is actually a set of books from my parents, which is Fashion, a History from the 18th to the 20th Century, volumes 1 and 2. Oh my god, I just hit myself in the face. I've been so excited about these. I asked for them because I just want to learn more about fashion history in more depth and going further back in time and learning about all these specific historical garments. It's just really fun and interesting to me. And these books are just so gorgeous. Like, look at these pictures. Every page is just beautiful. I'm learning so much. Also, these seem like they should be expensive, right? Like they're huge, they have like glossy, full colored, gorgeous pictures on every page. But these are just a past edition and the entire box set was like $20. So I would recommend trying to pick up some books like this secondhand.
Carla, you want to say hi to the people? You want to say hi? Okay, bye.
Oh, also, I did get 3 other books as gifts. They're not fashion related. It's just this art comics book by an artist I love, Allison Zai. I have Braiding Sweetgrass, which is about like indigenous wisdom, scientific knowledge, and the teaching of plants by Robin Wall Kimmerer. And then Clara and the Sun by Kazuo Ishiguro. This is a novel about like an AI. Like, it's from her viewpoint as the protagonist. Yeah, I don't know. I know you guys are not here for books, but I love books. I love to talk about them. So if anyone's interested in any book content, fashion book, or otherwise on this channel, let me know. All right, y'all. Finally, we are onto the very last thrifted item, which I am so excited about. And it is this dress. Look at this skirt, y'all. Have you ever seen such a voluminous, ruffled, dimensional, fabric-full skirt in your life? Because I truly have not. Just the amount of fabric in this, the way it falls, the way it moves, it's just so good. And guess how much this was? Because the yellow tags were 50% off. It was $3. Amazing, mind-blowing, incredible, life-changing. What I will say is, honestly, the top half, not sure how I feel about it. I mean, it's fine, but it's just not really like giving anything. Although I do really like the baby doll shape and I think the braided waist tie is kind of a cool touch. But what do you think? Would it be better as A, a skirt, B, a dress, but I changed the top half somehow to make it into a different style that I like better, or C, just leave it as it is? It's a perfectly good dress. Don't ruin it. Please weigh in the comments, I need to know. Also, don't forget to weigh in on all my other questions in this video. How should I use that tiny, tiny bag? How should I style that pink ruffly blouse? Should I include DIYs in hauls? Do you want to hear me talk about books? And again, what should I do with this dress? Oh, I also wanted to say thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy to have you guys here. I'm glad you like watching, glad you're enjoying the videos. Yeah, I would like to recommend to you my other collective, mostly thrifted haul videos. If you enjoyed this one, you can watch the most recent one right there. Oh, also, I heard if you like this video, leave a comment, send it to a friend who might enjoy it, watch another video, and or subscribe to the channel. Next time you go thrifting, you will find your perfect wide leg, high-waisted, funky printed pants.